Guys, in this video, we're going to talk about Nikola and their uphill battle that they have to restore their credibility. And it's not going to be an easy road ahead. It's not going to be like rolling the truck down a hill. Stick around. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining me for another video. I'm Richard Allen. Hopefully you enjoyed my dad joke there, my Nikola dad joke. That was fun. We're gonna go over this article here real quick, and I'm gonna show you a video of a working Nikola truck going up hills, going over bumps. Very exciting stuff. So expect that while we're talking. But the mini hurdles ahead must be cleared to restore credibility for Nikola, and I completely agree with this. But we're going to go over some of this article here while this awesome video plays here in the background. Although Nikola stock has periodically bounded since the headwinds started piling up last fall, it has been hard for the EV startup to shake off the bearish sentiment. Very hard. And you know, with Trevor Milton's recent indictment, it's been even harder. The result is a share price which sits 30% in the red in 2021, and it had already fallen a ton before 2021. And this stock has lost 73% in value over the past 12 months. Yeesh. Following this pre-revenue company's second quarter earnings, Deutsche Bank's Emmanuel Rosner says Nikola still has much to prove to restore investor confidence, and that will be no easy task, because as Rosner notes, there are several areas of concern Nikola still needs to address. For one, due to supply chain issues, management slashed its 2021 delivery outlook again. And to secure components, the company is in the process of paying up, which could badly impact the already challenging economics for Nikola's BEV truck. Additionally, battery cell supply for 2022 has yet to be obtained, including attempts to bring on board a second supplier. And following its customer marketing days in May, Nikola still hasn't made any announcements regarding the new TRE BEV customers. There are some positives to note on the operational front. The TRE BEV's trial production in Arizona has kicked off, and in Germany, the factory construction appears on track for the semi-truck's series production to begin in the fourth quarter of 2021. Nikola's sales and service network has also seen expansion, and via an investment in the WVR carbon capture project, the company has introduced a new way of procuring H2. Nevertheless, for now, Nikola is still very much a show-me story, with one additional concern weighing on Rosner's mind. He says, all in all, we continue to see many execution hurdles in the near term, which Nikola needs to clear in order to start rebuilding credibility. And we worry about the impact of potentially large capital raise in the near term, as the company's plan calls for at least $1.5 billion in additional funding before reaching break even. Wow, $1.5 billion they need, huh? Crazy. Hope you guys enjoyed that little snippet of the truck rolling all over the place. Actually looks pretty slick, but I don't know. I don't know how I feel, but let's jump over to the ratings here. It says, accordingly, Rosner reiterated a hold rating on Nikola shares backed by a $15 price target. The rating might be subdued, but the figure could still generate returns of 41%. And that's true, maybe even a little bit higher, because the stock right now is trading right around $10.20 per share as of recording this video. The other analysts feel the same way. We have 5 hold ratings versus 1 buy. Yet the forecast is a 1-year gain of 32%, giving the average price target currently stands at $14. So 6 ratings, 5 holds, 1 buy, 33% upside. Let me know what you think about Nikola. Is it done, like with this Trevor Milton indictment? Are they finished, or is there still hope for this company to really change the game for trucking like they hoped to do last year? I don't know. Let me know how you feel in the comments. I am not an investor. I probably won't be anytime soon, but the prices are looking pretty darn good compared to where they were last year when it was like $90 per share and it tanked, right? Let me know how you feel. I would love to hear your opinion down in the comments. I appreciate you, each and every single one of you. Remember to look for Julie and I tomorrow at 12:30 Central Standard Time for the live stream where we do a weekly recap every Friday. And then, yeah, I'll see you tomorrow.